Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at C Limited and Grab. Before I begin, remember to take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you really help our channel. Without further ado, let's first start off with C Limited or SE. So for C, you can see that after its recent news, it seems to be a heavy sell down, and apparently it's just after earnings. And at the same time, you can see that the sell down was pretty huge, even a very heavy volume sell down indicates that the institutions are probably dumping their holdings, which is not really a good sign. And probably most retail are also trapped in this particular position here. So as you can see, the recent low was 34.06 and it managed to hit a high of 93.70. Looking at this Fibonacci support levels, unfortunately, we broke down all supports, even this recent low of 23.6% at $63. So this is actually not a good sign. And on the way down, the cloud should also act as a good support. Unfortunately, the cloud did not act as a good support and we continue to see a sell-off. Even we did see a bounce here. The bounce was very short-lived and we continue to sell off. So currently now, it puts us in a very good position to actually come back down to retest this 54.06 levels, which was the previous low here on this particular day here on 12th of May 2022. So in the event that we do not get a double bottom at this particular low here at 34.06, then we may start creating new lows and breaking down from here. At the same time, in the event that people are putting their stop losses just below the $50 psychological support, or even just below 54, perhaps around 48 to $52, then after this stop losses get triggered, there's a chance for us to continue to bounce up from here. For the short-term resistance to watch will be this blue conversion line at around $63, $64. And the further resistance to watch will be around $76. So if we can continue to climb back up next week, then these two will be the next two resistance to watch for C Limited. Moving on to Grab. So for Grab, you can see that very similar situation to C, but it is slightly stronger. So on the way down now, the cloud is acting as a temporary support, and hopefully this support can continue to hold for us to continue to climb back up. In the event that we do not hold this cloud support, and you can see that we are already at this 23.6%, around 267, and we are barely close above this 38.2% at 292. In the event that these two supports were to break down next week or even upcoming weeks, then 226 would likely to be a next support in line. If you were to break it down, then perhaps even the $2 psychological support may be tested. Very similar to C, even potentially creating new lows in the upcoming weeks ahead. As of now, we can see that down at this particular day here, you can see that this blue conversion line cut above this red baseline is an indication of a short-term uptrend. That being said, you can see that this blue conversion line has already cut the red baseline from above. So it indicates that there is a short-term downtrend here for now. Unless this blue conversion line can cut back above this red baseline, then we can see a continual uptrend movement. If not, 226 would likely to be the next support for Grab in the upcoming days ahead. For the resistance to clear, it will definitely be the $3 psychological resistance and also 322 and 336 for now. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.